Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican stir-fry cabbage. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, and essential seasonings. Next, finely shred the cabbage and slice the other vegetables into thin strips. Don't forget to prepare your aromatics like garlic, onion, and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic flavor. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chopped garlic, onion, and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, sautéing until they become fragrant, which takes about 1 minute. Then, toss in your sliced carrots and bell peppers, stirring them for approximately 3 minutes until they start to soften slightly. Next, it's time for the star ingredient. Add the finely shredded cabbage to the skillet with the other vegetables. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure even cooking. Season the mixture with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. Continue to stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cabbage reaches a tender crisp consistency, retaining some bite. Finally, taste your Jamaican stir-fry cabbage and adjust any seasonings to your preference. You might want a little more salt or a dash of pepper. Garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and extra freshness before serving it hot. This dish pairs wonderfully with various meals. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.